In this video, I'll show you how to download and use a free Autoclicker for Roblox. First, open the link provided in the description. It will take you to the download page. Make sure you're using a trusted source before downloading. Click on the Download button and save the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the file to launch the Autoclicker. Now, let's go over the basic controls. You'll see an option to set the clicking speed in milliseconds. Lower values mean faster clicks. For very fast clicking, you can set it to a low number like 1 or 10 milliseconds. Next, check the hotkey used to start and stop the Autoclicker. By default, it may be set to F6, but you can change it by clicking on Hotkey Settings and choosing any key you prefer, such as F10. Once everything is set, open your game or a click test website to try it out. Press your selected hotkey to start auto-clicking and press it again to stop. That's it. Now you know how to download and use an Autoclicker for Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.